Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix black screen on PC or Mac. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your start menu and then type in settings. Open it, and then on opening it, here you'll find the option that says app. Simply click on it, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Netflix app. Let me just assume this W axis is the Netflix app, and on clicking it you'll find the option that says advanced options. Simply click on it, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll until you find the option that says reset right here. Simply click on it and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully reset your app. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your Microsoft Store, open up your start menu once again, select Microsoft Store, and then on the search bar type in Netflix, and then once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.